My name is Tanner Lancaster. I started at Seneca Tank in 2012. I am the used product coordinator. I oversee all aspects of used equipment, from simple consignments to complete chassis replacements. At any given time, we have between 20 and 30 used pieces of equipment working through our resale process. The process starts with an in-depth inspection, which is vital to ensuring that tanking equipment meets or can meet our leading resale requirements. Next, the equipment goes to preferred vendors for engine services, chassis inspections, and to have any necessary repairs if a new chassis is not selected. Once complete, our equipment returns here to Seneca Tank, where we review our inspection and start work on any testing, repairs, or updates needed. Units can spend anywhere from a few days to a few weeks in our shop to ensure we are providing the best equipment for our customers. The cleanup stage of our process is completed by a combination of 3 preferred vendors, each specializing in their own aspect of work. Most equipment goes through a full detail, frame blasting and coating, and tank polish. The final step of our process is testing and final inspection phase. Thousands of gallons of product are circulated through the pumping system to ensure no leaks, and a meter calibration is performed if necessary. A final inspection is completed to ensure the unit is ready to work. So behind me, we have a 2012 tank, so all of our units at Seneca Tank, we usually base everything off of the tank because that is the main component that we concentrate on. So 2012 tank, we have put a brand new chassis underneath of it. It is a T880 from Kenworth. This is a customer's truck. We've obviously had it completely repainted, and we have refurbished the entire thing. So if you want to walk around it a little bit, you can see we have brand new pumps, all completely brand new piped underneath of this tank. So all that equipment is brand new. One of the major components behind tank trucks is their ability to pump. That's number one. The second one is their ability to being able to meter. So the complete back of this thing has been cleaned up, refurbed. This one actually has its meters down here on the side. This has been gone through. We have done new plumbing. We have done new air panels. This will all be tested to ensure everything works like it's supposed to work. Another thing that we do at Seneca Tank, which is people don't think of as much, but we do full DOT inspections. So the back of this thing has been completely checked for all of its lights. The DOT bumper is legal. All the piping is tucked up where it needs to be. The cross members are appropriate for when you put a tank on a brand new chassis that wasn't originally built for it. Other side of the tank kind of follows suit. The only difference is this tank is actually built to pump at the terminal. So in this big cabinet over here is all of the bottom load equipment, which to keep the trend up has been completely refurbished. All of the air system is new. All of the manifold controls, 4-bank Civicon manifold is brand new. So this is one of Seneca Tank's complete refurbs. This is the top of the line product that we sell in the used production department. So this tank is a used tank. It has been fully polished out. The shine is amazing. Brand new Freightliner 112. It's got a DD13 in it with an Ultra Shift. We can move back here. We can take a look. This tank is all the way a 2012 model tank. We have done all brand new testing on it and refurbished it completely throughout. When we do new chassis, we do our best to improve if we can on the product. So when this thing was brought in, it probably was a little shorter and it probably did not scale out quite as well as it does now. We've extended this to really maximize the capacity this can carry. So we strive to do that, of course, in our brand new department. We also do it in our used department when we can. The back of this truck been completely went through. We've added all new air systems. We've replumbed it where we had to, just to make sure this is gonna really meet what the customer needs. All LED lighting, backup cameras, all very standard stuff for the used department when we refurb trucks to this kind of level. So every now and then at Seneca Tank, for the used department, we get some gems in. This would be considered kind of one of our gems. So this truck is older, it's a pre-emissions truck. It has got a big cat in it. It's 450 horsepower. It's a Kenworth T800. It's a 2007 model tank and chassis. So we can kind of walk around it and see what we've done. So in here, it's full bottom load capable. so it is terminal ready and really expands on the horizon of what the customer can do. Even if they're not ready to do it yet, maybe in the future they're ready to go to terminal and bottom load. Here at Seneca Tank, we always have lots of used inventory. It can be something from a simple, cheaper truck to more expensive trucks. We have the whole line of the road when it comes to the type of trucks, what the trucks can do, and how expensive the trucks can be. Most of these trucks that you see out here will probably never even hit the market. We have such a good sales force and such a good customer base that most of this stuff sells before it ever even gets a chance to go for sale. But like I said, we have trucks that can meet almost any price point depending on what you're looking for. If you want it to look like brand new, or you just want it to work, it's gonna go to the oil field, or it's gonna be in a parade, we can make it happen. If you're a pre-owned buyer, you know how difficult it is to find used equipment. Call us, we can help you with that. If you have specs, if you have capacities, if you have a type of tank, if you have a price, whatever it is, feel free to call us, talk to one of our sales representatives. Our phone number, 515-262-5900. You can find all of our inventory on our website as well, www.senecatank.com. Call us now, we'll help you out. Thanks.